People ask me, is dental assisting a good career? It is. There's so many opportunities. I feel like the dental world is forever changing. We're getting new things each year, each time, so we have to continuously educate. They're going to learn about all of the different equipments that we use, how to assist four-handed, two-handed dentistry. They're going to learn how to talk to patients. They're also going to learn how to work in a lab. The hands-on means it all. They love the hands-on learning. They love to do things, do. They don't want to read out of a book. I always say communication is the key. Keep good communication with your students, instructor. Let them know the importance of lab. Let them know the importance of being present, because this is an accelerated course, so it goes pretty fast. They're a little intimidated when they first come in here, see everything, see all the machinery, and this is what I always say to them. How do you know if you can't do it if you don't try? You know, I just want the students to be satisfied. I want them to be happy. I want, when they come to this program, be happy that they made that choice. So if they're smiling in the end, then I did my part. So.